So hello guys, and welcome back to our channel once again. So in this video we're going to be talking about what ICP is doing and what we can expect from the future of ICP. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do that, please make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to make sure you are tuned in for the upcoming videos. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently on our screen and we are on coinmarket.com. So let's head over and look up ICP on coinmarket.com to take a better look. So ICP is currently number 16 on the most market cap in all cryptocurrencies. And if we look at the current trading price, it's trading at around $12.95 right now, and it is down by 0.3% from 24 hours ago. And if we look at the 24-hour volume, we are at 222 million, which is up about 24% from yesterday. So let's take a look at this graph on this side. If we look at where we were at 1 day ago, we were at $12.99, and we are currently at $12.94, so we are a little bit down. And if we look at the daily low, we were trading at around $12.71 when we were at our low, and at our daily high we were at around $13.93. So we have came about $1 down in just a matter of couple hours. So in just a couple hours, we from around 5 a.m. we have come down around $1 full. So let's take a look at the 1 week graph. Now we can see that we are currently 13.4% up from the past week. So if we look at where we were at 1 week ago, we can see we were at $11.42. And if we look at our weekly low, we were at $10.56. So in just the beginning of the week, we went around $1 down. But then we have managed to climb back up. So we had a quick bull rally all the way up to around $17.36. So we went quick from around $10.55 to $13. So we went $3 up in just the same day. So on the 7th and 8th, we went to that number just quick, and we have been trading in this area for a long time. So we are seeing some sideways price action for now. And if we even look at the 1 month graph, we can see we are at a crazy 102% up from 1 month ago. 1 month ago we were at $7.33, and if we even look at our monthly high, we were trading at around $16.22. So that was a long way that we went from $7 to around $16. So that is even more than 100% gains. And as you can see, in the first days of the month, we were going pretty steady sideways, and then we had a bull run, and then we are still going sideways. But the main point of this video, let's get to that point. Let's look at this graph on TradingView. So I'm on ICP USD on the 4-hour chart. So this is a short-term chart that we are currently looking at. But if you look at this chart currently, we are forming a symmetrical triangle. Now, if you are a trader, you might know what a symmetrical triangle is, but if you don't, a symmetrical triangle is basically a pattern that keeps forming triangles, and it keeps getting smaller and smaller as it goes on. And then we are supposed to have a breakout depending on where we saw this at. So if we saw this symmetrical triangle during an uptrend, we are likely to see a breakout to the upside. And if we saw this, say for example, we saw it like this, then we are likely to go down like this. So what do we see in this example? We can see that we were currently on a bull run, and we were currently going to the positive direction, and then we have the symmetrical triangle. So now what does that mean? That means we are likely to break out to the positive side like this. So we can expect something like this in the upcoming days. And keep in mind, we are on the 4-hour chart, so this will take days or possibly even weeks to fully plan out and to fully break out, and we are likely to see a positive breakout, and we can even likely head to new high prices. Even from where we were at $16, we could likely cross that range in this breakout. So that is very soon and upcoming. And we can see that this symmetrical triangle has been forming since the end of December. So this has started since the end of December, and this line has been currently hit 3 times. The upper line has been hit 3 times, and this bottom line has been hit 3 times also. And we are likely to see ICP go down a little bit first and then head to the upwards direction, and maybe even do a little bit of more consolidation before actually going on and breaking out through the symmetrical triangle and heading to the positive direction. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how ICP is currently forming a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour time frame, so we are likely to see some sort of breakout to the positive side since this symmetrical triangle is formed during an uptrend. So we will likely see a breakout to the positive side very soon in the upcoming days, or if it's late, it could even take weeks, but we are likely to see this in the next upcoming days, so stay tuned for that. And if you are new to this channel, please do make sure that you check out my other long form videos like this that I also create on this channel. And I also do daily live streams on this channel talking about any recent crypto news or any recent price changes that we have seen in the crypto community. So please do make sure to check those out also. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.